It's about the food, but it's also about joy and love and taking care of people and making people feel like they matter, making people feel like they count. I think my chefs do that in their real lives. I work to do that in my life. Chef Sugar and Chef Jazz absolutely do that. They showed that today. They showed that through their food.
So today we brought to the students cashew nut chicken, tom kha soup, a Thai beef salad, and also a Thai green curry. So we wanted to give them a variety of dishes to try, especially if they haven't had any Thai food before.
My favorite dish today was definitely the green curry. I really like the spice and the flavors.
I have a very diverse population of chefs in my program, and all of them are fiercely proud of their food. They love to talk about the food that's important to them and the dishes on their own tables. And I know they can relate to Chef Jazz and Chef Sugar in wanting the world to taste the things that have brought their own families together.
I want all the kids to learn what the secret, what the trick to cook.
I was so proud of my sous chefs today. I learned that it takes a village, and I had so many people, including my chefs, stepping up to help this event be a success. Everyone wanted Chef Sugar and Chef Jazz to feel welcome.
I had fun. I was a little nervous at first, but I was really excited.
My favorite part about this whole experience was probably just serving the food and helping prepare along with the chefs and learning some cool new tips to help better how I cook in the future. One of those tips that really stood out to me today was learning how thin I should cut the onions and vegetables like that, because normally, like as Chef Jazz told me, thin slices are what you want to go for Thai food.
The biggest takeaway that I got was that it's okay to have help and to try to prepare everything in advance so it makes it easier.
When people come to eat in your place, you get compliment like this is the best food in the world, and make you proud, because when you're cooking, you love what you cook and you cook with love.
We always say try everything once. Try everything once, experience it. You don't have to try it again. But I do think that my chefs are very open to different cultural foods and willing to try new things, and I respect and appreciate that about my advanced classes. And specifically to the Thai dishes today, everyone was trying something new, including me, and finding new dishes that we're absolutely crazy about and plan to order off the menu next time.